a first year medical student of Ebony State University. Today we want to do a little bit of like study content, just a little bit. Yeah. So today we want to study our biology practical. Take a look. Take a look. Is it clear? I hope it's clear. Yeah, perfect. So we want to study this, and then we have a couple of assignments. I was asked to draw a prawn. Can you see it? Someone told me it looks like a lobster, but I don't care. But I feel like I could work with it. I'm not really good at drawing. Then don't laugh at this, guys. This is my Anopheles mosquito. Can you see it? Yeah, perfect. Like, it looks good. I look at the eyes. Yeah, so I have to like draw all this. Please, it's not yet complete, but you're gonna join me to draw this because I don't know how to draw. But let's see how far and how beautiful it could look like. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, it's important to note that apparently I have to submit this book. Look, like, take another look again. So, I have to submit this book, but we have exams, and I kind of like, why are you submitting what you used to read? But, there's a but. I have this book in like its PDF. So, yeah, I'd probably just use my laptop and I just study this if I'm not able to be done by the time I have to submit this. By the way, it's Sunday and I have to submit this tomorrow, being Monday. So crazy. So you guys are gonna join me to like, like do all my assignments, read up this manual, and like, yeah. If this world was ready, would you die or would you try to let me? Oh my god, I think, why is my glasses blurry? Like, why is it blurry? Why? Gonna like spray them on. Gonna spray. So guys, this is a liquid lens cleanser. Is it clear? Glasses as a medical student is very important. I said that. I said it. Glasses is very important actually, because I think like, being a university student in general, you kind of like have to like use your phones and your laptop, your PCs, your, everything, and then you have to like spend many times studying. So like, I just feel like, it's kind of very necessary to like get glasses for your eye health. Anyways, this is how the glasses looks on me. I personally bought this by myself. I was like, I'm a big girl now, so I feel like I'm gonna spend my money on myself, you know what I'm saying? I'm officially very tired. So the update is that I am done with all my drawings. I think I did this within an hour. This is the first. I think this is beautiful. Next we have this. This is a mosquito, an Anopheles mosquito. And we have our very famous scorpion. Is it clear? Okay, I think it's clear. Honestly, I have to draw a prawn, but I've drawn it. Look, but it's tiny. So I am done with this book. Yeah, I'm done with this book. So, I feel like, well, it's going well. That's just part of being a student and everything. You have to study. So I'm happy. At least I was able to like finish up everything. Now I have to go to bed. Oh my god, I can't even see my screen. Okay. Whatever. It takes kind of like a little time for my eyes to like get settled to not wearing glasses. But good night. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It would really make me happy. I love y'all.